It's a helicopter. It's just landing, bear with. Had a word with the army, they're going to land the helicopter. Hey guys, welcome to another Thank Truck It's Friday. I'm sorry I haven't been on camera for a while. Millie's been smashing it though. But I'm back this week, so all things are good. We're going to jump inside this Actros. It's got our IM air management kit on that. I've done a video on that. I won't show you that again. We're going to jump inside because there's some driver comforts in here that I really want to show you. Here we are then, back inside an Actros, a nice familiar environment for us and a familiar environment for a lot of you guys out there. I'm sure you drive an Actros or just a truck. If you're probably watching this, you probably drive a truck. So important whilst you're away from home, even if it's just one night, even if it's just for a day, you need that comfort whilst you're away from home. And we understand now it's more important than ever that there's options for entertainment, food storage, cooking, additional storage. And what I want to do is just show you around 3 things that we've installed in this Actros. They're available for every make of truck, I would just add, but particularly in this Actros, I'll just show you 3 things that really enhance the driver comfort. It's great for fleets for driver retention as well. They're just little features that, you know, go a long way with a lot of people. So yeah, before we get into it, check out my Tough Stuff jacket and my new Tough Stuff safety trainers. They are steel toe capped. These are well comfy. You need to get some of these. They're on our website, like £39. Anyway, sales pitch over. So to my left, your right, is our in-cab 16-inch TV. Okay, it's a telly. Not much more to say about it. It's HD, it's got built-in Freeview. It also has a built-in DVD player, which is a nice little option if there's nothing on TV, which, let's face it, unless you're watching Bake Off on a Tuesday night, there isn't anything to watch anyway. So DVD player is a nice option. Behind that, it's on a swivel bracket. Behind that is a booster for an aerial, which is mounted up on the roof. It's an omnidirectional aerial as well. So it gives you the best chance of getting the best signal wherever you are. There are areas in the UK where you're not going to pick a TV signal up still. You have to understand that they focus these signals around big population centres. So if you are halfway up the A1 in a lay-by, hopefully you're not, but if you are and there's no population centre there, you may struggle to get all of your channels. You should still be picking up some, but you probably struggle to get all of them. So again, having that DVD player option. They also have a USB slot as well, so you can plug a memory stick in and browse through films you might have saved on your memory stick. That's a nice little option there, just in case you can't get TV signal, but we give you a booster for the best chance anyway. Like I say, it's a 16-inch TV, comes with a remote control of course. It's on a swivel bracket, so you can adjust up, down, side to side, wherever you want it to be. If you're sitting in the passenger seat or you're sat at the end of the bunk perhaps, whichever's more comfortable for you. Coming down here, we have our built-in cab fridge. Now, this will look very similar to, it looks like it should be there from the factory, is basically what I'm trying to say there. This is from Indelby, made in Italy. It's a 30-litre full-size fridge, fold-up lid, nice big compartment in there, drops straight into the factory drawer on the Merc. We do the same for the new MAN TG3. We do the same for the DAF XF, and we have various other options for pretty much every make and model of cab. Again, all from Indelby. They're a great brand. We've done another video of an overview of Indelby. We'll pop that up here for you to go and have a look at, which is more in depth about a fridge. There's not much more to say about it other than it looks like it's meant to be there. It's a nice option, gives the driver or gives you guys somewhere to keep your foodstuffs nice and cool. And it only takes up one drawer in this Merc as well, which is quite good. So there's me who can't use the mechanism on the drawer. We'll leave that open, sorry about that. That's nothing to do with the Merc, by the way, that's me being an idiot. We'll switch around in a minute and I'm going to show you up in this top corner, we have a microwave. Okay, look what it is again, it's a TruckChef Microwave. This cab we're in is the Stream Space cab. It's a 2.5, it's the wide cab. The narrow cab is very similar on the roof other than just a tad narrower. So we've done a video before, and look back on our channel, you'll see that we do a full rear cab locker system for this vehicle, which gives you 3 extra compartments, and the microwave fits nicely on the inside. But as another option, should the, this particular fleet maybe didn't want the lockers, or perhaps if it was a driver, you don't really want all of that space taken up with lockers or whatever, we do this as another option. It's just a simple shelf, picks up off the existing cab mounting points as well, so there's no drilling involved. Simple shelf which fits the TruckChef. It's securely bolted onto it, it's not just perched on there, so don't worry if you do tilt the cab for any maintenance or anything. This thing's going to stay in place as long as it's fitted to our, you know, our guidelines. Again, nice option for the driver, so he's got his fridge to keep his food cool, or her food cool, and then pop it in here to heat it up and do whatever you want. Again, 20 litres, 800 watt, we've done it all before. There's a video here for an overview of TruckChef if you want to look back at that. And again, fully ECE Reg 10 type approved. Everything you're seeing here is under the type approval of the vehicle, so that's a good option for you fleet guys that are watching this and wondering, can they fit before registration? Yes, we can. Cool, okay, well, hey, it's a short video. I'm back on camera this week, so, you know, hey. And I expect Millie will be back next week with some video on something, I don't know, I don't really watch them anymore. And yeah, anyway, like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, follow us on our socials. I'll see you again soon. See you soon. Take 2 of shutting the drawer. There we go. See? Nothing wrong. Just user error on my part.